Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we will explore CoreWeave Class A common stock in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th of July, 2025, our system has ranked CoreWeave Class A common stock as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.49. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 288.4% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 288.4% to 514.46%. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Class A common stock includes the headline, Volatile Ride for CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock, stock price on Thursday moving between $136.02 and $153.50. The CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock price fell by 9.64% on the last day, Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, from $153.05 to $138.29. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.85%, ranging from a low of $136.02 to a high of $153.50. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 13.3% over this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 7 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This may signal an early warning, indicating that the risk could rise slightly over the next few days. In total, 16 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2 billion, $260 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $186.94, while the lowest price was $33.51. Currently, the price is 26.02%, or $48.65, below the 52-week high of $186.94, which remains the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave, or CRWV, experienced a significant drop in stock price today, plunging nearly 10% despite a largely stable market overall. This decline comes on the heels of a remarkable 287% gain since its initial public offering, fueled by strategic partnerships and aggressive expansion within the artificial intelligence infrastructure sector. However, concerns over high customer concentration and substantial debt raise questions about the sustainability of this rapid growth. Recently, CRWV's valuation faced pressure as it hit a low of $153, down from its previous all-time high of nearly $190. This drop contrasts sharply with the boom in NVIDIA stock, which recently reached a record high, further emphasizing CRWV's struggles in the current market environment. In contrast, the company's recent $9 billion acquisition of Core Scientific is aimed at slashing lease costs and enhancing its competitive edge in AI high-performance computing. This move may position CRWV for future growth, but uncertainties linger around integration and financial health, likely impacting investor sentiment. Looking ahead, the impending launch of leveraged single-stock exchange-traded funds focused on CRWV might invite more speculative trading in the short term. However, investor uncertainty and CRWV's volatility could lead to choppy pricing patterns in the long run. Ultimately, while there are growth opportunities, the current challenges could weigh on CRWV's stock performance as it navigates the complex landscape of AI infrastructure. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned CRWV a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, It was reported that Citigroup rated CRWV as market perform with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup gave CRWV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs rated CRWV as neutral with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CRWV a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts again issue a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at $153.51 and $145. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, June 20th, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 24.67%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 47 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave Class A common stock. CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock finds support from accumulated volume at $135.05. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $17.48 between its high and low, which is a change of 12.85%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.75%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 23 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $150.48. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock meets its first support level at $135.05. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of July, 2025, Boom Karen conducted an insider sale of 1,460 shares of restricted stock units. On the 6th of July, 2025, Boom Karen also conducted an insider purchase of 260 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Boom Karen further conducted an insider purchase of 1,460 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 6th of July, 2025, Boom Karen sold 260 shares of restricted stock units. On the 30th of June, 2025, McB Brannan executed an insider sale of 109,380 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 53 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 25.290. In total, insiders acquired 2,816,065 shares and sold 1,424,852 shares in these 53 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good investment? CRWV Inc. Class A common stock presents several concerning indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock is negative. Due to minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a buy to a strong sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, July 11th, we expect CoreWeave Class A common stock to open higher by $4.31, beginning at a price of $142.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.